So in this Freecash tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to withdraw money for an Apple gift card here on Freecash. So once Freecash is opened up, I want you to go to the bottom bar and select the cash out icon. Once you're on the cash out screen right here, just scroll down until you come across Apple Store right here. So if you wanted a $5 gift card, there's that option, 10, 25, 50, etc. So for example, if you wanted to exchange your money for a $5 Apple gift card, you would select on the $5 gift card, my apologies, right here, and then it'll say not enough to withdraw. So in my case, I don't have enough to withdraw, but if you did, you can proceed with the next steps in order to exchange your money for an Apple gift card. So pretty straightforward, pretty simple. That's how you guys can withdraw money for an Apple gift card here on Freecash. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.